Even though Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam was imprisoned without any fault, he never lost patience. Later, the king saw a mysterious dream: 7 healthy cows, 7 weak cows, and green and dry ears of grain. He returned to the prison to ask Hazrat Yusuf alayhi salam to explain the king's dream. Hazrat Yusuf said, "There will be 7 years of prosperity, followed by 7 years of severe famine, and then a time of relief with rain and ease."
What if you could create breathtaking, cinematic Islamic videos in just 5 minutes without spending a single penny? In this video, you'll discover how AI is helping creators produce emotional Quran recitations, powerful Islamic reminders, and visually stunning stories that touch hearts across the world. Many YouTubers are already using these simple methods to grow rapidly, gaining thousands, even millions of views, while earning through YouTube ads and building a steady online income. Channels focused on Islamic motivation and cinematic content are proving that you don't need expensive gear or advanced skills to succeed, just the right strategy and tools. This approach not only saves time, but also allows you to spread a meaningful message while growing your channel. Watch till the end to learn the exact step-by-step method to start creating your own cinematic Islamic videos effortlessly. Copy the prompt given in the description and paste it into Grok AI. Each time, Grok AI will suggest 9 to 10 different Islamic topics. Choose the topic you like, copy it along with its topic number, and give it back to Grok AI as a command. Before generating the final image prompts, Grok AI will ask about video duration and image size. Select your preferences and inform it. It will then create image prompts according to your chosen video duration. To generate motion prompts, give this command to Grok AI. Generate step-by-step motion prompts for all these images according to an 8-second video duration with stylish camera movement, scene effects, zoom, and lighting effects. After that, ask Grok AI to create voiceover prompts by giving this command. Generate step-by-step voiceover prompts for all these scenes in simple, eye-catching, and perfect English language. Since Whisk AI does not support image generation, use Flow AI to create both images and videos. Combine the voiceover prompts with the motion prompts, and Flow AI will generate a complete video with a perfect voice. If you want to create the voiceover separately, you can use Minimax AI or 11 Labs. If this method helped you, you've seen how easily you can create cinematic Islamic videos with AI. No investment, no hidden steps, just honest and practical guidance that saves your time. I always focus on sharing real, clear methods so you can start creating right away without confusion. For more simple and powerful tutorials like this, first, like the video, then share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Stay connected and keep learning to create meaningful Islamic content effortlessly.